Welcome to the best advanced practice course, applying the Basel Statements, advanced case-based learning. Congratulations for having this chance. I'm really so proud to be with you. I am Maram Abdel Nasser Tajdaya. I am Palestinian pharmacist, American Studies instructor, author and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. The Basel Statements of the International Pharmaceutical Federation, FIB, represent a global vision for the future of hospital pharmacy practice. These statements are structured around 6 major themes: governance and overarching principles, procurement, influence on prescribing, preparation and delivery, administration and monitoring, and human resources, training and development. The present advanced practice course is designed to challenge healthcare professionals with complex real-world scenarios requiring the practical application of the Basel Statements. Through engaging scenario-driven exercises, participants will sharpen their critical thinking, decision-making, and problem-solving skills to effectively implement the Basel Statements in hospital settings. Our practice course is especially designed for experienced hospital pharmacists, pharmacy students, clinical pharmacists, and other healthcare professionals who are looking to enhance their ability to handle advanced patient care scenarios. It provides an immersive learning environment that fosters critical discussions, collaboration, and deeper insights into hospital pharmacy practice. Many thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course if you want to explore further.